Vanglo de Vanglo.
Nature, and I am tired.
Ah, there, winda, Ewa, Eha, da, ha.
Luckily.
Luckily. I'm forgot of tired just for you all guys. So stay tuned. Wow. It's amazing. Oh my god. Kami palilig spot ni Charong Peak. Second grammars. Four, 30. Wow. 2, 3. Ah, good kuliah. Woo. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my all beautiful unique footage that I caught in my PC last week. Guys, back in 2019, I was hiking in the beautiful mountain of West Karbi Anglong. Well, the name of the mountain is Thanthe Anglong. Trust me guys, that was my amazing hike along with 15 beautiful people. That's really good memories. Okay, well, now hope you enjoy watching my old footage and correct my English in my comment in the comment. Well, okay, watch it now. Vanglo de Vanglo, Vang sinang jeng ron lo. Ewa. Bilang meh pupu kayak एकदम slow belum diri. Tolong ma. You.
I say nature lucky.
Last week because of
Because I am nature, and I am tired. Lucky.
nature used to there when the heavy been Ewa.
Mari kelang jing hong jet nang apiatum der jet lang
Da.
eha
Eha da ha ha. Eha da ha. Eha ha ha. Eha. Tired.
Luckily.
Luckily, yes, I'm not tired.
book up itu
Hey.
roaming yo artinya
Everyone, see this is the topmost of the Thanthe Anglong. We are taking photos with the amazing thing. So that's great. We are almost to reach. Wow. I'm forgot of tired, but still I'm taking video just for you all guys. So stay tuned. Let's see in another. Now I'm going to the slippery. Oh, that's amazing! Oh my god. Kanglit lang po si Padam po, Panpalidam po. So, let's yun. Buson Kanglit. Kami paliling spot ni Charong Peak. See the amazing view. Da, palilang ma. Finally we have have reached our destinations. It is very much high. Big. Monica, give me the sides.
Okay.
We have reached now.
Yes, yes.
Let's evaluate just a second. Look. Just at 1 minute.
1 more minute.
Thanks for correcting my grammars. Bamboo. Just started the drum, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Woo. 2, 3. Langsung lah. Wah.
Kuliah. Kuliah.
Hey everyone, now we are going to sing a song of Karbi Anglong, the most famous song of Karbi. So, 1, 2, 3, song, right? Karbi Anglong, lani kangon, nanghan ko ang katingon, nang liawin utimon, uling tunji ko puson, nang liawin utimon, uling tunji ko puson. Thank you. Paso aja ini. Kamu tahu? Apa ini? Nakli. Well, topmost. Just for you all guys.